Whew. Alright guys, it's a hot one today. Working on a 2012 f350 diesel dually back wheels. His brake pads are down to metal, so we're changing out the pads. So I'll get my tripod out and kind of so y'all can watch me work. Cover. Alright guys, who would have known you would have struggled with this thing? To get it out, because it's so deep in the wheel, I used this pick, put it in one of these grooves, pulled as hard as I could, it popped out. So that's out. Alright, now time for the big boys. You're going to need a 21. Okay, there we go. Trying not to get in the way so y'all can see. Trying. Alright, that's off. Take the first wheel off. I know you've got two wheels, bro. Take the second wheel off, which I think you got a good view of that. And it's stuck. So you know what that means. And there you go, it's free. Oh, it looked like it was free, but it wasn't. Alright. Come out. Alright. Hitting it from behind. Finally. Hey guys. Oh man, that took forever. Alright guys, these are 17s for the caliber bolts. Alright. Hanger. Ay, this is hot. Screwdriver. Hot, brother. It's just hot. And to be honest with you, I don't know where I'm going to hang this. Except for right there, and that works. Just gotta be careful not to hit it. Alright, so these fell off. Let's see if they're on the new pads or not. Yeah. These pads are all gone. 100% gone. Still have plenty of movement on that. get a brush, clean that off. Okay guys, this is getting fun. So my regular compressor is not strong enough because these are really big diesel brakes. So if you use a big lamp in there, it's not fun at all. I hate diesel brakes. Compressed in. Now we can finally put this over the pads. Don't forget to untwist your line. And put her on. Change this out. Okay, my Milwaukee died, so we're doing the wall. Alright. Good pads, good rotors. Get these away. Praise God, brother. Praise God. So we use this. Did not use got more stuck. So we'll just tie her up again. Push her up again. it'll be all the way on by the time I get this one off. If you call me weak, it's because I am weak. But in my weakness, he is made strong. Here. We are tight. And you grab the big fat cover here. Whoops. There goes my fan. It's not mine, it's the customer's. I don't think it has an orientation, but it was like that when I pulled it off. Alright guys, and that is how you do it. You do the outside exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you later.